Mom usually sits here with us. I know. I miss her very much. Mom always makes my toast into little stars. She makes mine into rockets.
Good morning, you two. How are you feeling today?
We miss Mom. When is Mom coming home?
Friday afternoon. It will go quickly.
Mom will come home soon. I know, but I still miss her. My family is small, but we love each other. I miss my mother when she is away. I drew Mom because I miss her. She knows I love rockets. Maya, I have an idea. What kind of idea? We should make Mom a surprise. A big surprise for when she comes home. Promise we will make Mom very happy. Promise. Tomorrow we start.
Dinner is ready, kids.
It feels different without Mom. Mom likes vegetable soup.
Yes, it is one of her favorites.
Mom?
Answer it.
Mom, how are you?
I am good. I miss you both.
I drew you today. You did? I cannot wait to see it. Mom, we are making you. Shh. It is a secret.
You two are planning something, aren't you?
Maybe. Good night, my little ones. Good night, Mom. I really miss Mom. Me too. That is why our surprise must be special. Tomorrow we start the big surprise. Promise. Mom will love it. Maya, today is the day! Yes! We have lots to do. After breakfast, we need paper and flowers. And we need to be very quiet.
Do you need anything for your secret project?
Maybe just a little help. We need flowers, colored paper, and fruit.
I can help you get them.
Look at all these flowers. Mom would love these colors. Purple is Mom's favorite color. Then we should use purple everywhere. I have a better idea. Tell me. We can make a flower path to the door. Mom will feel like a queen.
That is a wonderful idea.
Will you help us? We can do this together. Mom is going to love our surprise.
Put the purple flowers here.
Good choice. Mom loves purple. This one is for Mom. Then put it in the middle. Look at that beautiful path.
It is ready for Mom.
These should hang near the table. I can make more. Mom needs one rocket, too. Of course she does. Leo, what if we make Mom a memory book? A whole book?
No.
We can put our favorite family memories inside. And my rocket drawings.
I think these old photos can help.
Thank you, Dad. Look, Leo. This was our family picnic. Mom looks so happy. This is the first page, and the best part is just beginning. We need more pictures. Yes. Mom should remember every happy day. Maya, look at Dad's hair. Oh, no. That was funny. This page needs something funny. I know exactly what to draw.
Here is one of Mom's old recipes.
Let's put it in the book. Mom made this for us on Sundays. I remember. The kitchen smelled wonderful. This page is for Mom's cooking and our hungry memories. I want Mom to know how much we love her. Write that we miss her too.
We will finish it before Mom comes home.
I promise. Maya, it is getting late. Then we need to work faster. We started with one little idea. Now it feels like a whole surprise.